Hey guys, I'm like trying to see, like I have a mirror back here, but I'm trying to see if you guys can see me. And I have a fan on right now because it is like super hot here in San Diego. So you guys let me know if you guys like the fan sound, like does it like relax you or but today we're gonna be doing McDonald's, because last time I did a Burger King and the only thing I had bought from them was like an iced tea, so, or Sprite, I can't remember. So yeah, these are like they're big fries and they fill them up like so much. So I need the fan because it's like super hot, so just gonna leave that here. And then I got like a gazillion napkins, because they probably were like, oh, she's a messy one, she needs her napkins. So I forgot the pepper. I asked for pepper. Anyways, I got a deluxe chicken burger. It smells so good. And my son is in the background. So right here they got like fresh. Look at the thingy. I need to get some of this off because there is so much. Look, it's like literally, I'm trying to get a crunchy thingy so I can like, so I'm just gonna put it like on the napkin because it's too much mayonnaise. Look, ooh, some people like to eat their things with mayonnaise, so I don't see the big fuzz. Look at this tomato. So there it is, and this is what the chicken looks like. It's kind of big. And this is the tomato. It got kind of wet, so now let's put the lettuce and the thing back on. So let's give it a try. I got my big jug of water right here. They gave me a soda, but you guys know I like my water. Just gonna add a little bit of ketchup like right here on the side of my little thingamajigger. So these are like so good. Ooh. Yeah, so good. So yesterday my vlog, sorry. Yesterday somebody mentioned that I should talk more. Not one, many of you. and I figured I should. So hold on. Let me tell my baby to turn the thing down. Baby, can you turn it down, please? Thank you. So I've been having so many problems. Well, not me and my brother. With my brother. If you guys don't watch my vlogs, you guys should. But I don't want to talk about that. I'm just letting you know because I'm like, I have so many things in my hair. But yeah, today was super hot. Like, you can't even Like, you can't function. Number one thing I hate about hot weather are the flies. Like, I'm like really deep inside my house. I don't know how the hell do flies get inside my room, but they manage. I despise them so much. Fruit flies are always here because I always have fruit. Those mangoes. But yeah, what should I tell you guys? No. I got a hair in my hair. I'm afraid because it fell. This video is like so wrong. But yeah. Oh, did you guys hear that? I cracked my neck. You guys, I'm like so weird. Hold on. I need my jug of water. Nothing's fresher than water. It's so delicious. I like chicken. Who doesn't? I remember when I gave birth to my son, my friend was holding him, and you know how they put those tags on their feet? That thing like came off because my baby's feet were like so small, they were so tiny, and it came off and the whole hospital alarm went off. Like, "20 nurses came into my room." I was chilling back on one of those recliner chairs they have. My friend had my baby on her arms, and they're like, they came around screaming for the baby. "Where's the baby? Where's the baby?" And I was like, "What? Here." And then they look at my friend, and then somebody else goes running to the window, and like just to see like if somebody like had taken my baby. And I was like, oh my gosh, everybody was like, it's like if somebody had, if something had happened to my baby, they were like in big trouble. Everybody had like a deep breath, like of relief, like, oh my god, thank God. Well, they were like, "We thought somebody took him." And they were like, "Oh, his bracelet fell off." But I got, well, I didn't really get scared because I knew the baby, my friend had him, but it was just like, god damn, you need all those nurses? They should be running outside, not inside my room, if they like think like somebody kidnapped a baby. They should be running outside trying to catch the person. But that was so funny. I wished I vlogged back then because, oh my gosh, my life back then would have been so like interesting. Everything's cracking. I'm like, I'll explain to you guys later. But that was my baby story. And then look, hold on, I need to drink some water. These french fries are so salty. They're not salty, but they're just like, the salt makes you thirsty. So but yeah, I had no experience with babies, and the first time I had to change my son, you know how you put the little flaps on the front, like the sticky thing? I put it backwards. Sorry. Here you are. Stupid fly. I'm gonna kill you. Watch. I'm trying to be nice in front of the camera, but ooh, he's a dead one. But I put on my son's diaper backwards, and when the doctor came to check on me, it was a guy. Like the whole pillow was wet, I was all wet, and I was like, he's winning everything, I don't know why. Like all innocent. He's like, well, you put the diaper on wrong, and then he taught me how to put it, and I was like so red like a tomato. But that was my baby story. I think I've gotten used to sleeping with the fan on. Like, that noise that it makes me go to sleep. Huh. I'm done. This was so delicious. So, it was nice eating and chatting with you guys. So if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So bye, and don't forget to request your food. Alright, tell me what to eat and I'll eat it next. So bye. Oh my gosh, that was like 1 second ahead of me. Damn it. I'm sorry you guys. That whatever. Bye.